Joe in a Panama City. I just start my vlog. Beard off and fresh off already. So, people right now it's on hot like a Jamaica. See the team there walks through. It's a big piece of crowd still. I hope they not grab my phone out of my hand and run with it. Well, play speak man, cup on the building there. Quite tall. One all with your back. What's up, Uplona? I don't know, I feel like me in New York. So let's believe now.
What a go on?
They will stop because I'll show you. Them people are wait for them people pay down the sun. Alright, that's all. Those ones, them are people pay down the sun. Like them are vlog too, but them are vlog different. Right, Joanne? Right, Joanne. I was stopping at a local convenience store like we want to get something to drink. Yeah, price $1 for the drink. Alright, so me take up the Fanta here. Fanta is not people, this are their money. This is equivalent to $1 USD. I don't know what these things are, but it's money. It's money. Yeah, some Fanta and some type of 49 cents. 49 cents, people. Cheap. Nice.
Oh, ese es para él.
$1. I put some sauce on here and some type of thing. I put some there. Alright, now I'm gonna get my mango. Nice. Fruits and something this guy.
So they will lick me. Come and see this guy.
Joe, I complain, so full mango taste better than apple. Really and truly. Tell her, I just taste different branch of Jamaican mango. I just start I think. Someone buy a whole bunch of grapes for myself.
Guys, Davi Dan a taste, but that this taste is like Jamaican.
Yeah, it's grape.
Right.
If I
want the bag, I beg should have beg now.
Panama, they love bag. Everything you have, they want should be done.
Yeah. Joey, what have to say? Mango nice. And you straight back at Jamaican. I love your belly.
Where's the KFC the Panama? Joey, I laugh off of me because I dash on my mango. Because them are trouble me some taste bar and I feel insecure. Taylor, they also pay grape my food in a shop. Taylor, how much you pay for your grape?
$1.
$1. And she don't, I don't want to let them come in and eat those them. Come on, them are going left feet, curl that way. They have it. So I can't stop right now. Papaya 16 tablets. So go and change the screen. Hello, how are you doing? I'm fine, it's all eating stuff. Oh, big up myself, Mr. Brown. So we minute store. Get some stuff. This store nice of people.
Bye-bye. Manic already. I'm going mad and I'm hungry now.
Someone a boss him. Yo.
Man, they have nothing.
You hungry, so brother?
That's true, bro. Last night and last week, bro.
Hungry for sure. People, I take off the show stick. Just feel like. Anyways, we have to turn up by roadside. We don't know to enjoy for try to ride because I want to put on my mouth, get something to eat and just do a bunch of different stuff. But yeah, that's a one. See over here. Kayla, come in, see enjoy father. This time I love front seat team, man. So see, they got left. Bye guys. Here I go. We just get the in drive. Jump in there. Talk over this. So Shanice Lifestyle, Kayla Films, Davi Dan, Coloring Book TV, in drive driver. People when I reach time, I'm not gonna know. People, so we reach at the now right now. If that's something. We currently are reacting on your side team.
Yo, bye-bye.
We have 3 o'clock bye-bye. We in that carry, I'm carrying something. So this is place. We just there waiting now. Yo, in our mall, look. It's very, very big. Honestly, it's very, very big.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Hola. Because I get some information say 800 had stored upon this place. So this place is huge to say the very least. See how long Lego store there. In time make a stop. Right now our whole heap of information. Reach our food place store them. All of them now. McDonald's, smoothie. I got Subway or Wendy's and all that. Subway. But honestly, right now I'm confused. I don't know what I want to eat. Funny amount of places. KFC, Papa John's. I don't even know what I want to eat, honestly. Besides to go to Taco Bell. Honestly, bro, I'm so confused. I can't even talk enough. The amount of place there, so. I'm sure when we get to them. Taco and touchdown, here down there, so. Right, that's so. Pop it down again, KFC, me with the Taco Bell. Yeah, like, yo, pull it back so I saw in there. So you chicken big. I saw why I feel pop it down. I get one 10 piece.
Yeah.
3 pieces of that. Made it!
Yes, I made it. I found a good Apple store down there. Saying I was stopping to look because I want to
show me Apple store.
Wait, we can't.
So everybody can link up right now, everybody is KFC. As it is right now, we're in a tech store. We are going to browse. See if we know like. Right now, the whole over there meet up back. We look at where we're going to Adam because we are trying to get TV on phone. Like they're charming. And now, we just put on 8 drive for team cards. We have to make them move from point A to point B. I've made them move from point A to point B. So, this is what is going on now. We are jumping from this big mall. So, Kayla, we are doing what? Yeah, I move from this mall right to other mall for like torment. And we don't know which part you want to go and start broke my people. But anything to make on get the flag, so do it. So, we just reached now. I tell the driver, mucho gracias. And he said, you're welcome. I don't remember what he said, but he tell us welcome.
You feel protection?
See. So right now we are a different mall now. 9 Tech. Guys. TV. Show me phone. Table, the phone look like it makes it today.
How good like you?
God, no, I feel it. Today we're gonna buy you a phone. The whole team will make up and buy your phone.
No. Me no bother want 30, because you're too rich, me are going 14.
14. Alright, so we are go back in our store.
We are going Ultimate Max, the Pro Max, not DJ Max.
You know what I say? I big him, big up DJ Max. DJ Max, big up yourself, man.
That's you want. This one 14. Alright, so here I go now. So, we just make a purchase, but we can't show no inside our back card. In real life, a 300 million US in there. If I pull the immigration thing down for me right now, so we can't show no what. I spoke to what you see in our back.
And I lie, I tell me those feet a while ago. Look.
What?
Lucky back, let's see.
Show man, show. Here what go on. Actually, people them belly big and they hungry like this one over here something in belly. You want to say yam today and he still saying want to go to McDonald's. They ask all of them. All of them hungry and want to go to McDonald's. Every single one of them. I tell about them people. Can't make up their mind. Watch him. Hungry and kill him. So this me get plan with you. So the man is looking at me place today, watch him. Guys, what sharp name do? Show what sharp name.
So, we have to move that.
Mighty
People, wait on all PFS. We are here at the airport.
I've been obsessed. Bro, we just come from McDonald's and we eat some food and belly full and we are going to club now. I'm out.
Okay, let's say you want to say more. Where am I say?
Guys, while I go here, Davi say my God, club, you know, be for morning. What's that now? And that club.
People, I lie, man, tell. Great people, me are first to man in bed. As a matter of fact, me are the first man bed in Jamaica. Me are the first man bed in Jamaica. Everybody knows that true. And you are lying, me I tell God.
You know beard that. You know beard that. You know beard
Yo,
that.
I'm mad at
That you know beard.
Let me cut the clip. I'm the car man, tell.
Borrow Davi bike. Borrow bike to go for hotel.
This is a mud bike.
This is a carry bike.
You know, see me let them bike here over here and you last see. And make bike can't start.
Your bike big can't start. Come and TikTok too. You can't go on a TikTok video.
No.
Do it for your money, bitch. God bless America. She a twerk and tumble down. Love me, girl, then don't hurt and don't to ground. You know you mouth like bubble gum. Your man a look for you, no trouble come. Tell him how your uncle son.
Alright, so how it is currently going, it is 1:17 in the morning. The guys and I are going to the club. We're going to go party. We'll start with now, get no in drive.
Close to here at the time.
You know, get no in drive. Taxi man and say club closed, so we are going to go to bed. So good night, thank you for checking in. I'll see you.